but it looks like we're having a Garri series. In my previous videos, I showed us how to enjoy Garri as a meal with grilled fish and also with chicken. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to enjoy Garri with MOIMOI. You can check my previous video on how to prepare this MOIMOI. Food is ready. Enjoy. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to enjoy Garri with tofu, also called beske. You can get tofu like this from the store. You don't have to stress yourself, with the processing of soybean and all. And this one even has the nutrition information, the calories, the protein content. For this recipe, I'll be using 250 grams of raw tofu. You can see I'm measuring it here. The first thing I do is to boil my tofu with some spices. You can use any spices, seasonings that you prefer. So let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this. Measurements, as always, is in the description box. See you in my next video. Bye.